All right, guys, one of my favorite things that I love when I go on a Disney cruise that I always remember every time I went on a Disney cruise when I was a kid, and the one that I just went on to recently here as well, the Disney Wish, is their sail away party. They always have these sail away parties on the top deck that basically when the boat's about to leave at like 5 o'clock and everyone's getting excited that you're about to take off and you're about to go into your destination and have fun, they do this sail away party, and the music is really, really catchy. And I just get all excited every time I hear it, and I can jam onto it even after the cruise is over. So I thought I'd share you guys an experience of what that was like. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Gaming tech, eating brekkie is the gaming tech. Going for a brekkie is the gaming tech. Gaming techie is the gaming tech. Gaming techie.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it gets you amped up for the next time you take a Disney cruise. If you guys want to support me, as always, go ahead and reach out to me so we can go ahead and plan your next Disney vacation.